In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Tab menu and clicking on this little icon of a sun located on the right of brightness slider. So when I click, the sun is blue. That means that auto brightness is enabled, so in order to disable it, hit the same sun again. You can also just open settings and click on display. Then click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!